Alright, I'm out here at Alabama State Route 49, 49 in Notasulga, Alabama. I got a slight update here. I'm kind of surprised it's not relating to that bell, because that Safetran mechanical bell on our cord, I remember it was clicking. I don't know if the CSX just simply repaired it since there or whatnot. But because the reason why I'm surprised that's still there is because on this signal here, the General Signals Type 1 electronic bell was replaced with this NEG electronic bell. So, not sure why they'd replace that. Doesn't look like anything's lying north, so I don't think there's anything coming. Heard something over the scan. It sounded like it's going north, so it's going away from us. But yeah, probably gonna go record the 3222 again, because there's a nice backup on I-85 that's gonna prevent us from getting there in a reasonable amount of time for the DSA. So I'm going for the 3222 again. So yeah, just a quick update here at Alabama State Route 49 in Notasulga. They've replaced one of the bells here, but not the Safetran for some reason. Over and out.